people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about credit card rewards versus cash back. Which one is better? So I always talk to you guys about getting rewards for credit cards. That's like the sign up bonus when you sign up for a credit card. That's the bonus that you get when you sign up. And then I always talk to you guys about cash back. Now I would prefer to get both, me personally. I want to get both, but we definitely want to talk about which one is better. And then it's certain things I think that you have to look at when it comes down to like rewards and cash back. So let me go ahead and share my screen and let's look at some of these credit cards and compare like the rewards that you will get compared to like the cash back. And then you can compare the different credit cards. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video also. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys go ahead and put those questions down in the comments. So let's go ahead and check out some credit cards. So this is my blog. It's been taking me some time to put this together, you guys. You can schedule a call. Just go to Rickita.com, schedule a call, look at my events. If you want help with buying a home, I have my home buying application, then my home tours also. I put together some letters. If you guys like have negative accounts in your credit reports, I put together some letters that you guys can use to remove late payments, student loans, collections, charge-offs, and even a bankruptcy. And then if you guys have my membership, that's where we meet up twice per month. I actually send out all the letters for you, so you don't even need to buy these letters here. Then please, if you have a membership, don't get these letters, but I do suggest that you guys do sign up for my membership. I have that $1 trial option. Now, this is the part I wanted you guys to look at because these are different credit cards here. So we have credit cards for rewards right here and then credit cards for cash back. Now, I like rewards, but rewards is a one-time thing. You're going to get your reward as long as you spend a certain amount of money, but then that's it. I like cash back. I like to think about continuously getting cash back from a credit card company, because you can continue to get the cash back as long as you have that credit card and as long as you're spending money on that credit card. So yes, you can get that one-time sign up bonus, $200, $300, whatever it is that sign up bonus is. You can get that one-time reward, but cash back to me is just better because you can continuously get that. And also look here, because when you look at these different credit cards that offer like cash back, a lot of these credit cards, they offer you the cash back, but also they're going to give you some type of reward when you first sign up. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Discover It Cashback credit card. Like, I love the Discover It Cashback credit card because they give you cash back. So this one right here, you give you 5% cash back in rotating categories. They don't give you a reward like a sign up bonus, but what they do is they do this. They double whatever your cash back is. So whatever you get your first year of cash back, say if you were to get like $200, right, in cash back. I think my first year was like $300, $400 in cash back. They matched that. So I got an additional $300 or $400. So that's like my reward, my sign up bonus. Think about that with Discover. That's just how Discover is. Now, they do not, like I said, they do not have like a sign up bonus, but after your 1 year anniversary, whatever you get in your cash back in your first year, they're going to match that. And even their secure credit card have that same option. They got cash back, plus they got that unlimited match. So whatever you get in your first year, they're going to match that. So that's why I like having cash back, because not only am I going to get that reward, but I'm going to continue to get cash back. And I think the last time I made a video, I showed you guys like I had like 40 or 30 something to $40 in cash back, and I just put it towards my bill. I just showed you guys that. So even after I just had my credit card for a while, I'm still getting cash back. I'm not depending on just that one time bonus. And when you guys think about like bonuses and cash back, understand too that I really like my Discover card because I don't have an annual fee. So Discover do not charge an annual fee. A lot of times, if you guys are getting a higher cash back, understand that you have an annual fee. So not cash back, but a higher reward. A lot of times those have an annual fee. And I have an annual fee on my American Express card. So I do want you guys to keep that in mind. I don't like that, but do keep that in mind, that you think, oh, I'm gonna get this a reward, I'm gonna get this. Okay, but what's your annual fee? And they don't have an annual fee for that Discover card. Now, the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, you definitely need to go and see exactly what the rewards are. When you're on my blog, I do have like a video up You can apply for the credit card right here. You can also search the credit card to get the full review, but I usually like to search it to see exactly what rewards they have at the time. So like the Chase Freedom Unlimited, they have a $200 welcome offer. So this is something I like. So let's go ahead and click on it and see exactly what they can offer you. So here it is right here. You guys will, they, for one thing, no annual fee, something that I love. I love the no annual fee. You guys will earn $200 bonus, but you have to make sure that you spend at least $500 in your first 3 months of opening your account. And then also you'll have the low intro APR. So 0% intro APR for 15 months from opening your account on purchases and balance transfer. Excuse me. And after that, you guys, you're going to have the regular APR, your variable APR. And this is the thing, that $200 thing is nice, but just imagine how much you can get when we're talking like your cash back and rewards. So right here, look, you're getting 5% back on travel purchases made through Chase Unlimited Rewards, 3% back with dining at restaurants that include takeout and delivery. And then also drugstores, 3% back on drugstores and 1.5% back on all your other purchases. You can get so much back in cash back that will be way more than that $200 bonus. And the point that they don't have an annual fee is also a great thing. So I definitely like that, you guys. And I also like to, if you guys were to get the Chase Freedom Flex, you know, the rewards that you can get there also. It's their rewards is kind of different. They have like the Discover has a 5% back, and it's also in rotating categories. And they have a 5% back up to $1,500 in purchases, just like Discover. They limit how much you can get in your cash back, but they still have those rewards. You can get way more back in cash back than you can get in rewards. So that's something that you guys really have to, you know, take into consideration when you're looking at these different credit cards. Because a lot of these credit cards will offer like a reward, like the Capital One Saver One. They have a bonus, a $200 bonus at the time of me recording the video that I made here, but they also have cash back too. So you can probably give, as long as you're using that credit card, you can probably get back more in cash back than you would in just having that bonus. So keep that in mind. And when you're getting these credit cards, like I said, you want to check to see if there's an annual fee. So 3% unlimited cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, grocery stores, plus 1% back on all your other purchases, and earn 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases. So that's something that's something to look at. Now, if you guys were to get the Saver One rewards, you're going to get all of that. Plus, you're going to get a $200 bonus as long as you spend $500 on purchases within your first 3 months. So that's something also to look at. Now, look to see when you're looking at these different credit cards what the annual fee is. So there's no annual fee for these two, but if you were to get just the Saver rewards, not the Saver One, just the Saver rewards, then you guys will have an annual fee of $95. And yeah, you're going to get that one-time $300 bonus, but you got to spend $3,000 on purchases within your first 3 months to even get that $300. And then your cash back can still be good, but you still have to pay that $95 an annual $95 annual fee, you know, every month. And you're getting more back. You're getting 4% back in cash back compared to the 3%, but you do have to pay that $100 annual fee. So look at these different changes, you know, these different tweaks that they're doing when it comes down to these credit cards. But I think that you guys should definitely, when you're thinking about rewards, you're thinking about cash back, know that a lot of these credit cards, they offer some type of reward, they offer some type of cash back when you apply for them, but you should be looking at the cash back and you should be looking at the annual fee, because to me that's like the most important thing. You want to know like what will be the annual fee and then how much you're going to get in cash back. The reward is nice, but what am I going to continuously get in cash back? Because to me that's just very, very important. But I hope that you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Go to Rickita.com to check out that blog, and also to get that membership. Get the membership. We're actually meeting up this Friday for the membership, so definitely check it out. If you guys have any questions, you got a video. Bye bye.